Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Design System series. In this video, we're going to create reusable tab components, adding a touch of flexibility to your navigation consistently across all your projects. Tabs allow us to easily toggle between different views and content sets. Whether for switching categories or navigating app pages, tabs keep interactions concise. Let's kick things off by designing our tab items. Tabs can come in different styles. Some are just text, some are icons, and some are a delightful combo of both. Press T and type your text. Add an icon on the left. Duplicate it to the right. You might have noticed many tabs have a counter showing the number of items. While this could be a separate component in your design system, but we're keeping it simple for now. Add your text. Press Shift-AA for auto layout. Give it some padding. And set the background to gray. I choose the color from the palette we create in another video. Let's give it some radius. Now select all. Press Shift-A. Manually adjust the height to 40. Set 12 pixel padding to the left and right. And change the space to 8. Change all item colors to black, and set the same gray for background color. Let's give it some radius. Let's change the text and icon colors to a lighter version so it feels more active. Select the frame and click on Create Component. And done! Our base component is ready. Now for tabs that don't need an icon or a counter, let's keep it smart. Instead of creating different variants, we'll use properties. Select the left icon. Go to the Layer section in the right panel. Select the property icon and name it Show Left Icon. Leave a value as true. Repeat for the counter, right icon, and even the text. Now, a tab can be either selected or deselected. For this, let's add a variant. Select the component set. Change the name to Tab Item. Property section. Click on the Edit icon. Change the name to State and set the values to Selected and Default. Select the selected variant and change the background color to white. Let's add a smooth drop shadow effect to it. I can't see what I am doing right now, but we can change it later. There you have it. First step done. Now it's time to create our tab bar. Make a duplicate and hide the icons encounter. Let's keep it simple. Make 2 other duplicates. Select all of them and press Shift-I to create a single auto layout frame. Set the space to 0. Adjust paddings. Change the text of the tabs to whatever you want. And change the property of one of our items to selected. Select the frame and make it a component. Change the name to Tab Bar. And change the background, fill the same as our default item background. Don't forget to give it some radius. For dynamic sizing, we need to create a different component for each size. Add another variant. For the new variant, let's add another tab item. Select the component set and change the property name to size and set values for different sizes. For the first one, 3 items, and for the second one, 4 items. You can create as many tabs as you need. Another crucial property for this component is which item is selected. This one is also used for prototyping. We'll cover full prototyping of tabs in the next video. Select the set. Click on the plus and create another variant. Change the name to Selected and set the value to first. Make another variant and change the selected item to second, and do it for the third item too. There you go. To complete this component, you need to do all of this for the 4 items variant and any other size you have in your design. I'll provide you a Figma file that contains a complete set icon. You can download it from the Figma community. and use it as a starting point for your own design system. In the next video, we're diving into advanced prototyping for tabs. Subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. Until then, stay creative.